Hey everybody, so I'm going to go check out at Harbor Freight to see what kind of new items they have for the Sema event going on. I know some of the items are supposed to be in stores, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Harbor Freight, we're going to see if they have any new tools in stock or items in stock for the Sema that's going on right now. They have the 3-in-1 Costco dolly, and then they have the new 4-in-1 Franklin, which is pretty nice. They have a right-angle drill for the bower here, which they normally don't. So they also have the orbital sander and vacuum. Come here to see if they have the new Braun light, which I don't think they will. No, they don't have the new 3-in-1 slim bar light yet. I was hoping they would have it. This one's new. This is actually this full-size Vulcan cabinet, 500-pound weight capacity. In my store, it's $329. There is a coupon on it for $270. $270 is not a bad deal. I have this. It's a good cabinet. Max 215. So they don't have the Pro TIG. They have the Pro TIG 165, but they don't have the Pro TIG 210, 220, I don't remember what it's called yet, or now. Little titanium flux core 125. You can get this on coupon. It's Chicago Welding Cart for like 15 or 20 bucks, something like that. Gotta go to Home Depot next, so I'll do a walk through Home Depot. Diamondback cutting blades. So they have the new step drill bits for Bower, but they don't have them for Hercules yet. The Hercules is supposed to be the cobalt, and then the Bower is black oxide, and then the Warrior is titanium. It doesn't look like they have much of anything new since the last time I was here. We also have the 17-foot Franklin ladder. It says 24 ladders in one. There's a couple of new Viking jump starters. Last time I was here, there's a difference between the WRAS and the WRAS7. These are somewhat knurled and these are smooth. That's the difference. But the knurling on these they're not that great. It's only a couple ridges. Let me turn the light on. There's only 2 ridges, that's it. I'm not very impressed with that. The knurling on these WCAM 14s are nicer. A lot more knurling. Excuse me. We're still pretty limited on the stock here for the Ratchets, since the recall for the 3/8. This store has all of the accessories for the carts in their colors now. Black, red, orange, yellow. I don't see any for the white though. Brian's Mobile One did a video on this set. I'll leave a link up here for a card for his channel if you guys want to go check out Brian's Mobile One. He's a good channel. He's got some awesome content. Here's the Doyle lineup that's at my store, closest to me. I have some big guys. 20-inch. It's a very big pair. $27 for a 20-inch. That's not bad when you buy channel lock. A freaking 12-inch for of these tongue and grooves are $27. So 20-inch is not bad. They have a 16-inch right here for $17. 8, 10, 12. High leverage cable cutters. Dikes. 7-inch needle nose. 8-inch needle nose. High leverage lineman pliers. 9.5-inch, 9.5-inch crimping pliers. So they got more Doyle here than they have Quinn. There's the Icon Toolbox again. These I think are a good deal. Quarter, 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive, 9-piece wobble socket extension kit. I have these. I also have the really long ones as well. $14 is not a bad deal. I've never had any issues with them. Which they're right here as well. I have these, the quick release extension bar set in 1/2-inch and 3/8. I also have this one. It comes with a 24-inch long 3/8, and it comes with a 18-inch long and a 12-inch long quarter, and that's $14 as well. All of these are pretty good deals. I have the older model of this. I don't have the Quinn. I have the older Chicago, or no, not Chicago, but the Pittsburgh version. They have the Quinn 1/2-inch drive and 3/8-inch drive digital torque wrenches here, 159 and 169, which is not too bad. They're 72 tooths though. What I would do is I would wait until Gear Wrench comes out with their 120 XP torque wrenches, digital torque wrenches, and I would buy those. $389 is not a bad deal for this 27-gallon, 200 PSI, 5.1 SCFM 1.6 horsepower oilless compressor. It's not bad. Sometimes you can get them for like $350, somewhere around there. Well, this set's new. This high flow set's new. I haven't seen it here before. .300 max PSI 3/8 quick coupling. I'll it's not bad. $8.99, it's not a bad price. .3/8 by 50-foot earthquake. I do not think for $179 that's a good deal. I think it would just be easier to pay the $119, get the Diablo. I have 3 of these Diablo red hoses, 3/8, 50 foot. I've never had any issues with them. I've even left them outside. When I do videos out front and you see a red hose hooked up to my compressor, that's the hose. I've never had any issues with them. I've even left them out in the sun for months. And I live in Florence, Arizona, so it's normally about 110 or so, if not hotter. But for $119, I don't think the Diablo is a bad price. The Diablo and the Earthquake, in my opinion, look almost the same, just a different paint scheme. And I like the Diablo hoses. You know, they don't have any, Earthquake hoses that you can just buy a hose here. So I have no idea how good those are. Parts washer is pretty nice. $79.99. It's an okay price. I watch a video or a channel on YouTube. I don't remember his name, but I'll have to do another shout out for him later on if I can find his channel. He does a lot of quad videos and a lot of power washing videos. Actually, let me look real quick. Maybe I can find his name real quick on an email or something. Oh, I believe it's Do It All Garage. Let me check real quick. Yeah, Do It All Garage. So I'll leave a link and a card. Put a card up here for Do It All Garage. Go check him out. He's got a great channel, and I'll put a link in the description below if that's easier for you guys. He was doing a video about this. I'll probably also link the video up here. He was doing a video about this ultrasonic cleaner the other day. He gave some advice, some information, I also need to do a review on this Predator 4400 PSI 4.2 gallons per minute commercial duty gas powered pressure washer. I picked this bad boy up and I need to do a review on it, or at least a video about it. Well, it doesn't look like they have much that's new. I didn't see much at all that was new, to be honest. We're not going to make this video any longer than it's got to be. Yeah, I don't normally go up here. They have the trailers and the stuff up here. Here's some of the new Chief stuff. This one's pretty nice. small air ratchets, some of the Earthquake XT stuff. I have everything here but the extended anvil. That's the only thing I don't have. And I have all of these except the extended anvil. I have the 3/4, 3/8, 1/2 inch, the angle grinder and the polisher, and I have all of these and the battery ratchet. And then, you know, there's a safe, a couple trailers and mounts and stuff over here. Doesn't look like they have anything new other than I think that flashlight. There's the Gen 2, couple Gen 2 boxes from the US Journal. That one's really smooth. This one's a Gen 2 as well. And then these are the Gen 1s, which the Gen 1s have this little plastic latch on the side. This is the toolbox I have, which is the Gen 1 72 inch. And then I actually have this exact Gen 1 56 inch, but I have it in red, and I put it on that. Here's the Doyle Crimpers. So they do have something else that's new. They have the Doyle Crimpers here. Heavy duty wire strippers and cutters. Not crimpers, my bad. $24, that's not bad. My Kleins are about 35 or 40 bucks, something like that. Just like, I'll leave a card up here for Junk from Work's channel. Junk from Work. There you go, buddy. This one's a Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight. Wire strippers. Looks just like the Dick Smiths. Figured you get a kick out of that if you watch the video. Looks like we're going to be heading to Home Depot and maybe Lowe's next, if I got time. It doesn't look like there's much that's new. Let's see. Oh, they do have it. They do have the 3-in-1 here. Slim bar folding LED, 421 lumens. The flashlight's 320 lumens. Flex shaft for tight spaces. Nice, they do have it here. This is new Braun flexible LED work light. That's new as well. Which is nice. Flashlight up to, sorry, almost dropped you guys. Runtime flashlights up to 6 hours 40 minutes. Slim bar up to 7 hours, and flex shaft up to 97 hours. That's what it claims. Pretty nice kit. I don't know if I'm going to be picking it up today though. Well, I guess it was a good thing that we did stop in the flashlight and battery section. Oh. Quantum rechargeable pen light. $140 lumens. This little pen light's 140 lumens, where this one is 65 lumens. Alright guys, so please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.
Yeah.